Good evening and welcome to Speak Up Club's Saturday night number 71. Here we are after a long journey sitting at the session number 71. After having experimented millions of ideas, thoughts, and perspectives on this platform, we are right now in this very special session where we are going to see the talents, the creative bones of different people of different kinds and different creative performances on our platform today. Today's session is a special one because each one of us is blessed with a talent, but only a few of us have the courage to build that talent and use that talent as a form of expression of who we are and how we lead our lives. So first and foremost, thank you everyone for registering for the event and joining in on a Saturday night at 9 p.m., the usual time for the Saturday Night Speak Up Club event for the last 71 Saturday nights now. Before I jump into the event and begin with the performances that we have lined up for today on a range of creative ideas, let me introduce what we do. Speak Up Club began on 23rd of May 2020 last year. In 2020, we began this idea of Speak Up Club, wherein we began with a simple idea. We all learn from perspectives. We all grow the more we get to know the world and the more we listen to what the world is. So what do? We host a range of initiatives about life skills which become critical to the way we live our life, not just limiting to education or the classroom subjects, but about life skills in itself, and the different range of themes that we have had are based on life skills. Why do we do it? For the simple reason that I shared. It adds to our perspectives and expands the way we can think and build a meaningful life. And how do we do it? We respect what is being said, we reflect on what is being shared, and we seek to know how can we become better. And who does it? Me and Pragya are the host of the Speak Up Club initiative, but mind you, we are not the authority or the owners of the initiative. The initiative and the ideas and the perspectives are completely owned by the people who come on this platform and share their perspectives. You grow, we grow, and we all grow together. With that, let me jump into the session today about creative bones. The idea is this is a session where you're going to express the creative aspect of your life and showcase it to the world and make this platform an opportunity for you to showcase your talent. Whatever level that you are in, you could be a beginner, you could be a pro, you could be doing it for the last 6 months, or you could be doing for the last 60 years. Wherever you come from, whatever you do, here's a platform where whatever you deliver, everyone is only going to applaud for the courage that you have taken to come on a public platform, stand here and deliver your talent. With that, let's jump into who's going to come up first. Who wants to come up first? Let's see. Can we have a raise of hand? We have Kiasha. You want to come first? Wonderful. Let's begin with the younger ones so that they're excited about what they have to offer, and let's see what they have to offer. Kiasha? Can you unmute yourself? Yeah. So Kiasha is going to be performing a poetry. She's going to share a poem. And let's hear it out. Before she begins, I would request everyone to share a virtual emoji or a round of applause for her to be coming on this stage and beginning to perform. That you begin is a great start. And that you're beginning at such a young age is an accomplishment in itself. Over to you, Kiasha.
Thank you. Thank you. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है कियाशा। आज मैं आपको कविता सुनाऊंगी। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चिट्ठी दाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास, रगों में साहस बढ़ता है। चलकर गिरना, गिरकर चलना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। डुबकिया सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जहाँ जाकर खाली हाथ वापस लौट कर आता है। मिलते नहीं सहजी मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दूना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो। देखो और आधार करो, देखो क्या कमी रह गई और उसे सुधार करो। कुछ किए बिना ही जब तक ना सफल हो, मिलना चाहेंगे त्यागो तुम, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़ो मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय-जयकार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। अब मैं आपको कुमारी शक्ति कविता सुनाती हूँ। है नमन उनको कि जिनके सामने बौना हिमाल है, जो धरा पर गिर पड़े और राज से थामी और आसमानी हो गई है। नमन उनको जो अपनी देह को अमृत देकर इस जगत में शौर्य की जीवित कहानी हो गई है। पिता जिनके रक्त में उज्जवल किया कुलवंश माँ था, माँ वही जो दूध से इस देश की रज तोली आई। बहन जिसने सावनों में भर लिया पतझड़ से वही हाथ ना उलझे, कलाई से वो राखी खोल लाई। बेटियां जो लोरियों में सुन रही थी बताती पिता तुम पर गर्व है, चुपचाप जाकर बोल लाई। है नमन उनको। कोई दीवाना कहता है, कोई पागल समझता है, मगर धरती की बेचैनी को बस बादल समझता है। मैं तुझसे दूर कैसा हूँ, तू मुझसे दूर कैसी है, ये तेरा दिल समझता है, ये मेरा दिल समझता है। मोहब्बत एक ऐसा तो
तेरा दिल समझता मेरा।
कभी कबीरा दीवाना था, कभी मेरा दीवानी है।
Thank you, Kiasha.
Thank you.
I would like everyone to give her a big round of applause for such a young person to be performing on a public platform and delivering and touching my soul with that last song. I must say, it touched my soul because that's one song that's very close to my heart. Thank you, Kiasha, and a big round of applause to you. Let's move on to the next performance that we have for today. Because we are talking of having it as a mix, let's have Uma Natraj, who will be performing a song today for us. Are you there, Uma ma'am? Uma ma'am? Or before we have...
Can Yashmin perform?
Okay, Yashmin, you can go next. Before we go to the next performance, we can go with Yashmin first, who is going to be sharing a story. Over to you, Yashmin. Over to you, Yashmin.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yashmin. The title of my story is Thirsty Crow. One day there was a thirsty crow flying everywhere in search of water. At last, he found a pot, and then he looked inside, and there was very little water. So she found a broken piggy bank. She got the idea. Then she started putting coins in the pot. Then the water level rise very rapidly. His brother Joey was watching it. Then he came to his brother Joey and said, "Water is precious for life." Then he said to his brother Joey, "Remember to save water today or tomorrow you will pay. Thank you."
Wonderful. Is that Yashmin's mother?
Yeah.
Thank you. I think if you also can come on the screen. Is she done?
Yeah, she's done.
Yeah, you also can come on the screen, and a great applaud from our end for you.
Thank you so much.
For a young one to be taking stage at such a young age and encouraging her more so, and a great talent that she has for storytelling. The more you see, there are other performances for storytelling, the elder ones. Maybe she could get an inspiration to how she can build a skill. Thank you for that.
Right.
Let's move on to the next.
Right.
Do we
Thank
have
you.
Uma ma'am here?
Yes, sir.
Uma ma'am, would you like to go next?
Yeah, I'll sing a song for all of you.
Perfect.
It's a Carnatic song. Since it is Navaratri, I thought I will sing a Devi song. Matangi Shri Raja Rajeshwari Mamava Matangi Shri Raja Rajeshwari Mamava Matangi Matangavadanadi Matangavadanadi Guru Guha Janani Nalini Matangavadanadi Guru Guha Janani Nalini Mandasmita Mahadeva Manulasini Nalini Matangi Shri Raja Rajeshwari Mamava Matangi Rama Manohari Rakendu Shekhari Sukhakari Ranat Kinkini Mekalavashwari Vama Marga Priyakari Shankari Sarveshwari Vama Marga Priyakari Shankari Sarveshwari Matangi Shri Raja Rajeshwari Mamava Matangi. Thank you.
Thank you, Uma ma'am, for that gracious performance and honoring us with that performance on this platform. I think for everyone who's in this generation, the younger ones, you would always think of what you see right now in the name of music is completely different from where the real source of a soulful rendition of music is, something like that. Thank you, Uma ma'am, for that wonderful performance. Let's move on to the next one, and I would like to call the younger one. Anvita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Ma'am is gone now. Ma'am is in the school. The sir is here. And we have Anvita, who's going to be sharing a story with us today. Anvita, the stage is all yours. You can begin.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to tell about Jolly's shrinking clothes. Jolly loves cheese. He eats cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Jolly's mother tells him to eat healthy food, but Jolly does not listen. One day, all the buttons on Jolly's shirt have burst open. Jolly runs home and tries on all his clothes. He finds that his clothes have shrunk. They do not fit him. Jolly starts crying. Jolly's mother tells him he must stop eating only cheese. If he eats healthy food, his clothes will fit him again. That night, Jolly eats rotis, carrots, and peas and a banana for dinner. He promises to eat healthy from that day on. Very soon, Jolly's clothes fit him again. The moral of the story is eat healthy, be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Anvita, for that wonderful story and wonderfully narrated. The beauty of the story is not just in what it is being said, but in how beautifully you narrated that we could visualize what every character in that story was telling to us. Thank you, Anvita, for sharing that story.
Thank you, sir.
If there's her mother or anyone, I would request them also to come into the frame if it's possible. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful encouragement that you have for the child, for her to take up and share a story on a Bowing platform. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's move on to the next performance that we have for today. And who's it going to be? Let's have a little bit of a magic before we move to the other creative performances. Do we have Shakti over here?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I am Magician Shakti, the youngest magician in Mysore. And today I have brought a couple of tricks to perform. Okay. So, one second. Okay. So, is this 3 cups visible, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So, I want you to volunteer for me. Okay. So, I have a paper ball over here. Okay. And I have an empty 2 cups here. Okay. So I want you to track this paper cup for me. Okay. Okay. So where do you think the paper ball is now?
In the middle one.
Okay. In the middle one.
Yep.
Okay. It's not here, but it has traveled to here. And it's not here too. Okay. So let me give you another chance. Okay. This time it's here, right? Okay. Okay. So this time, where do you think the ball is?
The right red one.
Here?
No, the last one.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, it's unfortunately not here, but I can give you a choice. Do you want the ball to appear in this cup or in this cup?
The red one.
Here?
Center one.
Center one?
Yeah.
Okay, so in center one, the ball appears and here it disappears. And I can again send this to here. It comes here and it vanishes here. And if I just do this, it vanishes in all the 3 cups.
Can we have a round of applause?
Thank you. Okay, so I have a book over here and can you see anything, sir? All are blank, right?
Yes.
So if I just take black color over in my coat and if I just add white color here, okay, so everything gets black and white, if you can see. Okay. And if I just add all colors like yellow and I have, okay, so if I just add all colors, everything is colored. And I can just vanish everything again. It just gets blank.
Can you have exam papers like this, please?
Okay, so thank you, everyone.
Those are tricks, Shakti. Anything else?
I can perform one more if I have time.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
I think everyone is enjoying.
Okay.
This.
Okay, so I have a pen cap over here. I want everyone to put their eyes on the cap because you're going to see this vanish. Okay, so and I have a cup here and nothing in this paper. So I want you to focus on this cap because it will vanish now. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Oh, it didn't vanish. Okay, so now you have to focus it more because now it will be vanished for sure. So 1, 2, and 3. So actually the cup itself has vanished. Okay. Thank you. This was it for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And let's have a round of applause for the magician, Shakti. And be sure he'll be sharing his contact for anyone who has a Zoom meeting and would like to invite him. You can more than happy to connect with him. Shakti, can you share your contact in the chat so that, or he has a speech. He's just shared that. You can share a review after the meeting.
Yeah, I have just shared my Google review, so you can please like give your feedback.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, Magician Shakti, for that wonderful and interesting magic tricks. I'm sure to want to learn how to do those now for sure. Let's move on to the next performance that we have, and let's have some music now. Can we have Abhijitya with her musical instrument? Is that your mother in the screen?
No, my grandmother, sir.
Okay, I hope she's not performing alongside you.
No.
Wonderful. We are good to go?
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir. So I'll start with Jai Ganesha.
Do we have any singers who can sing along? Abhishek, go ahead, go ahead.
So now the next song is Om Jai Jagadish Hare because it is Navratri. Sir, I'll go to next song that is Sare Jaan Se Acha. 25, 13, 16.
Now we are listening to the code words also.
ये प्री रिकॉर्डेड रहता नहीं इसमें?
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhijit, for that wonderful performance. And I must say, you're going to go a long way. So for tonight, we have had singing, we have had storytelling, we have had poetry, we have had musical instrument, we have had a magician. What are we missing in one of the most common forms of creative expression? We are still waiting for a dance. But I'm sorry, we're not going to have a live dance performance given the constraint of the virtual world, but we have a recorded performance of someone who shared it with us, and I'll be sharing the recorded video, and we can share the applause after you see the performance. Perfect. Here we go with the performance of our very own Shreya, who's none other than the Instagrammer and the Reels famous Shreya, and here's a performance.
स्वागत से करेंगे सबका स्वागत मिलके चलता चल मसले करके हल होगा कल ये सबसे कह दे रहना बनके दिल दिल ही है मंजिल मंजिल पे तुम्हें सबका है ये कहना कहना कल्चर की है आदत स्वागत से करेंगे सबका स्वागत में से भर के तैयार की खींच खींच के निशाने हो मैं मारती खिंच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार बरेगा मेरे अनुसूली उते टंगी रख दे मेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार मरेगा मेरे अनुसूली उते टंगी रख दे मेरा नखरा है तिखी तलवार मरेगा एक खत्म नहीं हुआ चुरा के तू मेरा गोरिया चली उड़ा के निकलिया कहाँ तू चली दिल तेरा गोरिया चले मुझे क्या पता कहाँ मैं चली मंजिल मेरी बस तू ही तू मंजिल मेरी बस तू ही तू तेरी गली में चली
Can we have a big round of applause for our very own Shreya for that wonderful performance and sharing with us the video, because it would have been challenging in the virtual space. So let's have next who's going to be sharing her talent is Kiara V, who's going to be sharing her musical talent of playing a piano. Kiaravi, are you there?
Yes, ma. Sorry, sir.
सबको मैम की आदत लग गई है. किसी भी स्कूल में टीचर सर बचे ही नहीं है. Over to you. बादल समझता है कैसा हूँ मैं तुझसे दूर कैसी है मेरा दिल समझता है ये मेरा दिल समझता है
Everyone please stand up. Now it's time for Jana Gan Man.
Wonderful. Everyone, request everyone please stand up. She's going to be playing Jana Gan Man. Thank you, Kiara. I think that's a wonderful idea. It's been really long time that I've stood up for the Jana Gan Man in a school. Over to you.
Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Jai! I was just going to say that. Thank you, Kiaravi, for that wonderful performance.
Thank you, sir.
And more importantly, for such a novel idea of playing Jana Gana Mana on this platform. I think each one of us had our own goosebumps listening to that after so long and in such an unconventional way. Thank you, Kiaravi. A round of applause for this young talent and for the wonderful talent that she has. Thank you. We are left with Ananya first now, who's going to be performing a song.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
A little louder, Ananya.
Good evening, everyone. This is Ananya. I'm going to sing a Telugu song. Kolu kolamma kolu kolu na sami మనసే మేలుకొని చూసే కలలో నిండినవాడే కనుల ముందర ఉంటే నూరేళ్ళు నిదురరాదులే కొలు కోలమ్మ కోలో కోలో నా సామి మనసే మేలుకొని చూసే కలలో నిండినవాడే కనుల ముందర ఉంటే నూరేళ్ళు నిదురరాదులే హే పిల్లగాడి మాటలన్నీ గజులల్లే మార్చుకుంటా కాలిదూలి బొట్టు పెట్టుకుంటా కుర్రవాడి చూపులన్నీ కప్పులోనే ముడుచుకుంటా అల్లరంత నల్ల పూసలంట వాడి గూర్చి ఆలోచనే వాడిపోని ఆరదానే తాలిలాగా మెల్లో వాళ్ళదే కోలు కోలమ్మ కోలో కోలో నా సామి మనసే మేలుకొని చూసే కలలో నిండినవాడే కనుల ముందర ఉంటే నూరేళ్ళు నిదురరాదులే పదమేమో వాడిదంట పైనమేమో నాది అంట వాడి పెదవితోటి నవ్వుతుంటా అక్షరాలు వాడి వంట అర్థమంతా నేను అంట వాడి గొంతుతోటి పలుకుతుంటా ప్రాణమంతా వాడేనంట ప్రాయమంతా వాడేనంట వాడి ప్రేమలో నేను బ్రతకనా కొలు కోలమ్మ కోలో కోలో నా సామి మనసే మేలుకొని చూసే కలలో నిండినవాడే కనుల ముందర ఉంటే నూరేళ్ళు నిదురరాదులే థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you, Ananya, for that wonderful and beautiful song. For your information, Pragya doesn't understand Telugu and she was humming and smiling all the way. That is what music does to you. It crosses all the boundaries, it crosses all the walls and touches the heart deep inside. Thank you for that wonderful performance, Ananya. Let's move on to something different now. Different because it isn't something that everyone practices as a creative performance or as a creative interest. Let's invite the next performer who's going to be sharing about or demonstrating about brain map. Let's have Sahasra on stage, and Sahasra, you can brief us what you're going to do and how you're going to do it.
So today I'm here to do addition and subtraction of 2-digit 20 rows. You all can ask any random numbers of 2-digit addition and subtraction.
So
of 20.
Up to 20 numbers.
Yes, sir.
Of 2 digits.
Yes, sir. Addition and subtraction.
Do I check whether you're telling it right or wrong?
Calculator.
Okay, who's having a calculator? Or I'll have one. I'm having one right now. I'll go about typing while I share numbers. How fast should I share? I just keep telling the numbers. Sahasra?
Yes,
Wonderful. Okay. Can you see me now?
yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Should I begin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 28, 32, 61, 17, 8, 89, 73, 31, 43, 92, 61, 16, 88, 79. So this is all. What's the answer, Sahasra?
761, sir.
Interesting. She is
Okay,
right.
now I will give and you keep noting down. Now let's see how fast are you on calculator.
Yeah. Okay, you give, I'll keep calculating, okay?
Yes. Ready, Sahasra?
Yes.
So, Sahasra, can this be a mix of plus and minus
Yes,
both? Or?
yes. That is what I'm giving now.
Okay, because I'll need to, I'll have to check my maths and typing speed before we can test Sahasra. So it's like
Yes.
testing a supercomputer and we are doing it with the human calculator.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Rahul, if you type slow, then I'll tell slow.
You can go ahead. If I, 1 second, let me take the phone, or someone else can also do it so that we have a double check on it. Is anyone else also doing it? Okay, go ahead, Pragya.
Ready? 42 plus 76 minus 38 plus 27 minus 14 plus 98 minus 36 minus 20 plus 70 plus
17 or 70?
70.
70, 1 second. Plus
46 plus 29 minus 25
40?
minus 25 minus 30 plus 52 minus 38 plus 67 plus 21 minus 30. Rahul got confused.
314. 314.
It is correct, sir. I'll be checking.
Yeah, it is correct. Like I have calculated it. It is 314.
Now the surprising thing is,
What? You haven't written half of the numbers. 257 आपका calculator आपने लिखा गलत है.
that is what I'm saying. A human can be wrong. Sorry, a hearing can be wrong. But I think with two other answers, wonderful. Would you like to have one more round, anyone? Anyone would like to test this? Abhijit, you are getting ready?
वो टेस्ट तो कर लेंगे, उसको टेस्ट को टेस्ट कौन करेगा, इज द पॉइंट.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्वेश्चन पेपर देने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आंसर चेक करने में प्रॉब्लम है. Okay, Shastra, you'd like to go for one more?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can have who's coming up, who's going to give the numbers? Vijaya? Okay, so we have the calculators also ready and we have the human calculator also ready. Vijaya, you can unmute and start speaking plus and minus. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
1 second. And please clearly tell the numbers. Okay? Because that's where the confusion can happen. Plus and minus and the number clearly.
I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sastra, ready?
Yes, sir.
Action.
55 plus 37 minus 25 plus 2 minus 50 plus 49 plus 87 minus 50 plus 61 minus 88 plus 9 plus 15 bas
102.
Correct answer.
This time I'm also correct in the calculator. Thank you, Sahasra, for that wonderful talent. Can you share us some tips or tricks for everyone to learn this?
Actually, I've been learning abacus, sir. I started in 4th class. It was a course of 3 years, sir.
How can I complete 3 years in 3 months or something like that? Any crash course, please?
No, sir.
I completely understand. And that's where the talent is born. This is for everyone. What the world sees as talent could be just a visual in front of you. Could be just that one moment where you saw magician Shakti doing something, or Uma ma'am singing those wonderful lines, or everyone who has been here, Kia Ravi or Kaishavi sharing or playing that piano, Abhijit playing that piano. From what the world will see you will be that few minutes and fraction of seconds. But what goes into it is the most important part that you need to learn. And that's where talent is built over and over and over a long period of time with the commitment. Thank you. Thank you, Sahasra, for sharing that. Let's move on to the next talent that we have for tonight. Who's coming up next? And we have the name that always she has to correct her name, the spelling. Let's have a performance from Bhavagya. If I'm right in the pronunciation? Not yet. After so many sessions, please tell your name and then begin your performance.
Hello everyone. My name is Bhavagnya.
Next time, better luck. Over to you, Bhavagya.
So I'm going to perform a Hindi song sung by Shreya Ghoshal. I may not be that perfect, but I'll try my level best. So this is a song called as Sun Raha Hai Na Tu from Ashiki 2. If there are any mistakes, please excuse me. मंजिले रुसवा है, खोया है रास्ता, आए ले जाए इतनी सी इल्तिजा, ये मेरी जमानत है, तू मेरी अमानत है, मुझको इरादे दे, कसमें दे, वादे दे, मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे, दिल को ठिकाने दे, नए बहाने दे, ख्वाबों की बारिशों को मौसम के पैमाने दे, अपने करम दिखार दाए, कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, वक्त भी ठहरा है, कैसे क्यों ये हुआ, काश तू ऐसे आए, जैसे कोई दुआ, तो रूह की राहत है, तो मेरी इबादत है, अपने करम दिखार दाए, कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं. Thank you.
I had goosebumps. I'm also a singer if you don't know. While you were singing, I was lip syncing. That's how my beginning, the singing talent of mine begins and ends. Thank you, Bhavagya. I think that was a wonderful and soul-touching performance, I must say. It's so beautiful, and the way you sung it, I think everyone's expression said it all of how well you were singing. Thank you, Bhavagya, for that talent and sharing. Again, wrong.
Bhavagnya, okay. Like Pragnya, Bhavagnya.
Okay, Bhavs, that's my love. Okay, let's move on to the next performer that we have for today, and Vijaya, who's going to be sharing poetry. Vijaya?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, this poem I have written in 2013 for a magazine. So it's published one. It's regarding a daughter, and I am comparing it a daughter with Basant Ritu. It's like that. And so I start, you will just think about that. My poem title is खुशियों की बगिया. Okay. जिंदगी के गुलिस्ता को महकाने आई हूँ. मैं हर दिल को एक बगिया बनाने आई हूँ. होते हैं हर तरह के पत्ते फूल पौधे. मैं उन सब की महक को एक करने आई हूँ. लड़ लिए बहुत अपने अपने अभिमान के लिए. मैं कांटों और फूलों में सुलह करवाने आई हूँ. सरसों गेंदे के फूल के पीलेपन को लेके मैं उगता हुआ सूरज बनाने आई हूँ. गुलाबों का वो निराला गुलाबी रूप, मैं उस गुलाबी रंग को सबके होठों पर लाने आई हूँ. चमेली के फूल की सादगी ले लो, मैं उस सादगी की खुशबू महकाने आई हूँ. नाजुक होता है कमल, मैं उस कमल की नजाकत को बिखेरने आई हूँ. आम्र, आम्र मतलब आम, आम्र के फूलों की वो एकजुटता, दे आर इन बंच. सो आम के फूलों की वो एकजुटता, मैं उस एकता की मिसाल बताने आई हूँ. कोयल की वो मधुर कुकू, मैं वाणी में सबके मिठास घोलने आई हूँ. बसंत हूँ मैं मतवाली भोली भाली, मैं रोशनी की किरण निराली लाई हूँ. हर चीज प्रकृति की है सुंदर, बस मैं यही जिंदगी में सिखाने और सीखने आई हूँ.
I think you have one fan who's added to you today, with Pragya being fond of language and words in Hindi especially. I'm sure I could see her smiling all through, and I could, like you said, I could visualize my daughter in every word, in every anecdote that you were sharing about what it means. Thank you for those wonderful words and wonderful lines of the way you put it across. Thank you, Vijaya, for that wonderful poetry. Who's next? We have Rabia. Is Rabia still there?
Yes, I'm very much there.
Yes,
Good
she's
morning. Good
very
evening.
much here. And here we go. The stage is all yours.
Thank you. Can I share my own words or else any other poetry which I like the most?
Your words, preferably. Else,
okay.
It's
fine.
open for you to share anything. Preferably your words.
Fine. So, just 1 second. Just a minute.
Are these your words?
Actually, my words, I wrote it in my diary, but because of the power cut and all, I could not trace it out where it is. But
your
the one which...
Your diary is digital?
No, it is not. That's the reason I'm finding it difficult to trace out.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm very much there.
No, there नहीं. वो book मिला या नहीं वो बोलो.
बुक नहीं मिला तो मैं गाना गा लूंगी, ठीक है?
गालो पहले आप गा लो.
चलो पहले आप गा लो.
ओके. सूरज हुआ मध्यम, चांद जलने लगा, आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा. मैं ठहरी रही ज़मीं चलने लगी. ला 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 ला. धड़का ये दिल सांस थमने लगी. हो क्या ये मेरा पहला प्यार है सजना. क्या ये मेरा पहला प्यार है. तेरे ही रंगों में मैं तो रंगी हूँ सनम. पाके तुझे खुद से ही खो रही हूँ सनम. हे माहिवा मैं तेरे रंग में पास आके खुद से दूर हो रही हूँ सनम। चांद सूरज हुआ प्यासा, चांद जलने लगा, सूरज के दिन में भी आग जलने लगी। ओ मैं ठहरा रहा, ज़मीं जलने लगी। ला 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 ला, धड़का ये दिल, सांस थमने लगी। ओ क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है सजना, क्या ये मेरा पहला पहला प्यार है। Thank you. My first love is my living life. Thank
अभी
you.
एक तो बोल भी दिया और उसके बाद पूछ भी लिया क्या ये मेरा पहला प्यार है। बता रहे हो, कह रहे
Because
हो,
I
पूछ रहे
knew
हो,
that
थोड़ा
you're going
क्लैरिटी
to
लाओ।
ask me.
जो भी हो क्लैरिटी लाओ थोड़ा पहले, उसके बाद गाना नेक्स्ट टाइम। हाँ ये मेरा पहला प्यार है, सीधा जवाब दे दो, पूछना क्यों? Anyways, lovely, lovely, good to hear, great hear. I'm sure.
Thank you.
I'm
It's
sure
one of my
you're-
favorite song. Thank
I could sense that. I could sense that. अब बेटी पूरे टाइम यही गाना सुनती होगी, सुलाने के बाद उठाने के लिए, सबके लिए बेटी यही सुनती है।
She says enough, 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 mama.
वो तो हर किसी के साथ होता है। Thank you, Rabia, for that wonderful song, and it does bring back a lot of memories of my, I can't say childhood, but yes, the growing years where this was there, and I have a lot of memories in that. Pragya, are you there now? Rabia, Pragya को भी सुला दिया।
Yeah, that is true. It was more like a lullaby than a song, I felt.
On a Saturday night, it's after 9 p.m. and it's after 10 p.m. So we need a lullaby after such an energetic session anyways. But thank you for that. And Vijaya, would you like to go with your next, you had one more thing to share. Oh, Pragya, are you there back? Afterwards?
Let everybody complete so that they're
all are done with one of the chances. So if at all anyone is coming,
एक छोटी सी मिल गई poem. Shall I?
मिली. आ जाओ.
बहुत छोटी है, I won't take much.
हाँ.
Okay. कुछ रिश्तों के नाम नहीं होते, मगर वो रिश्ते आम नहीं होते। कुछ रिश्तों के नाम नहीं होते, मगर वो रिश्ते आम नहीं होते। जो रिश्ते खास होते, वो दिल के पास होते। जो दिल के पास होते, वो बहुत खास होते। Thank you.
Fill in the blanks for anyone, whatever thing that you love, fill in the blanks. It's
No,
applicable to anything and everything.
It is meant for one and all because I love everyone. Thank you.
I could imagine everything other than Pragya in this. And Pragya could imagine nothing. Pragya could imagine nothing but a cup of tea while you said that. Thank you. Wonderfully said. I think it's a wonderful way of expressing how love envisages itself in different forms for different things. It could be nature, it could be people, it could be anything. It's a wonderful way in which your passion for something can come out. Thank you, Rabia, for that wonderful poem from your own diary, which you found even after the lights were off. Thank you.
Yes, my personal words. Thank you.
Pragya, you want to go next? All are done. Are you there, Pragya? Okay, Vijaya, you can go, and after that, we'll close the session for today. Anyone else wants to take up anything? We have maximum another 10 minutes before we close. Pragya is back.
Sorry, ये सब मेरे पे क्यों आ जाते हैं?
क्योंकि एक बार आने के बाद जवाब नहीं देते तो दूसरी बार वेट करते सब लोग. Okay. Go ahead, Pragya.
I'm not very good with songs, but one or two songs which I love, probably I can try singing that. Which was the song that girl played? Because that is something which I really love. I forgot it. Sorry.
Which girl? Abhijisia? Abhijisia, what were your songs?
Where we all were singing, right? That song.
Bhavagya.
कोई समझे तो मोती है, कोई समझे तो पानी.
Okay. कोई दीवाना कहता है.
Yeah. So these are two songs which are very, I really go back to these songs. One is Koi Deewana Kehta Hai, and second is an old song I'm not sure if it's an album song, is Naina Thag Lenge. These are two songs which I like. I'll try singing. I'm not good with singing at all. So that. नैनों की मत मानियो रे, नैनों की मत सुनियो, नैनों की मत मानियो रे, नैना बावरा कर देंगे, नैना ठग लेंगे, ठग लेंगे, नैना ठग लेंगे, जगते जादू फूकेंगे रे, जगते जगते जादू, जगते जादू फूकेंगे रे, नींद बंजर कर देंगे, नैना ठग लेंगे, ठग लेंगे, नैना ठग लेंगे, भला बंदा देखे ना पराया ना सगारे, नैनों को दसने का चस्का लगा रे, भला बंदा देखे ना पराया ना सगारे, नैनों को तो डसने का चस्का लगा रे, नींद बंजर कर देंगे, नींद बंजर कर देंगे, नैना ठग लेंगे, ठग लेंगे, नैना ठग लेंगे. I know it was bad, but that's what I remembered. And next अभी कौन सा था मैं फिर भूल गई. कोई दीवाना. This is something which I can probably try. कोई दीवाना कहता है, कोई पागल समझता है, मगर धरती की बेचैनी को बस बादल समझता है, तू मुझसे दूर कैसी है, मैं तुझसे दूर कैसा हूँ, ये तेरा दिल समझता है, ये मेरा दिल समझता है, मोहब्बत एक एहसासों की पावन सी कहानी है, कभी कबीरा दीवाना था, कभी मीरा दीवानी है, यहाँ सब लोग कहते हैं मेरी आंखों में आंसू है, जो तू समझे तो मोती है, जो ना समझे तो पानी है, जो ना समझे तो मोती है, जो ना समझे तो पानी है. इससे ज्यादा मैं तुम लोग भाग जाओगे.
Thank you, Pragya. Do we have anyone else for one last performance?
Can I perform?
Yes, Shakti, go ahead.
Okay. So I have a bag over here and there's nothing inside. Okay. Fine. And here is a orange thread. Okay. Orange. And let me put in white color and then green. Okay. So 3 of them put in. And if I just do this, we have our national flag. Thank you.
Thank you, Magician Shakti, for that wonderful, yet again, an offbeat idea to connect with everyone. Thank you for that. Anyone else? One last before. Yes, Vijaya, you'd like to? Yes, go ahead, Vijaya. You're on mute. Yeah.
Yeah, it's again the old one, but written by me. But it is the right now also we are having problem with that TV. So television. Na? So the poem title is TV ki Gustakiyan. So what it is doing with
Can
us?
we edit it to mobile?
What?
Mobile ki Gustakiyan.
Next time I will write and I will say. इस टीवी ने क्या जी का जंजाल किया है, घूमने फिरने का प्लान सबका फ्लॉप किया है, शाम 7 बजे से ये जो शुरू होती है, रात 12 बजे तक सोने नहीं देती है। बारी सबकी आती उस रिमोट को पकड़ने की, जिस रिमोट के पास टीवी की नहीं, घर वालों की चाबी होती है। अनुपमा एक सीरियल है हिंदी में, अनुपमा पे हो अत्याचार या बिग बॉस का हो घर निकाल, अपने दुख को भूलकर उनके दुख में हो जाते हैं सबके हाल बेहाल। बातें होती है आस्था की, कभी आराधना की, भगवान को किए दरकिनार, ये तो बस होते हैं जाने माने सीरियल के किरदार। बड़े खाते हैं इसके सामने, सोते भी हैं इसके ही सामने। छोटों ने भी सीखा यही, अब तो वो पढ़ते भी हैं इसके सामने। सीरियल जो चले पसंद का, अर्जेंट कॉल को करते हैं इग्नोर, बाद में दे के मिस कॉल खुद को कर लेते हैं सिक्योर। लड़ाई करवा देती है कभी चैनल को लेके ये, कभी जो ये खराब हो जाए कर देती है बोरिंग डे। टीवी देखना भी आजकल एक काम हो गया है, अब क्या बताएं, ये भी आजकल सबकी डेली रूटीन का भाग हो गया है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Vijaya. I think what a wonderful note to close the session with a lot of smiles, with a lot of joyful way to close on a closing note for the session. Thank you for that. So before we close the session, like always, we have Pragya here to steal the show with a poetry for the session or about the session. Over to you, Pragya.
यूं ही हर रोज में जिंदगी को गुजार रहा था, करना क्या है जाना कहाँ है कुछ पता न था। फिर एक दिन कुछ लोग मिले जो साथ चले, फिर एक दिन कुछ लोग मिले जो साथ चले, फिर दिन कटे महीने कटे और साल कटे। इन लोगों से कुछ रिश्ता सा बना, इन लोगों से कुछ रिश्ता सा बना, हर एक का दुख दर्द, हर एक का जिंदगी का पता चला। आज जब उस दिन को पलटकर देखती हूँ जिस दिन से यह सफर चला, आज लगता है मैं अकेला काफिर नहीं, मेरे साथ हर रोज एक हम सफर चला। थैंक यू।
Very beautiful, very nice, lovely words.
मैं भी कुछ
Yes.
बोलूं?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. But I think that poetry beautifully sums up our journey with each one of you all. The journey that we have had, the moments that we have had, the pain that we have endured, the times that we have spent together. I think each one of us have had an opportunity to build a bond with each other at different times in different challenging places and at different occasions. Pragya, you have to say something?
Just wanted to inform हम लोग Saturday sessions बंद कर रहे हैं।
No, not at
So
all.
I think because we had session number 71, we are in the plan, and we thought we'll just stop after session number 75. It's been a long ride, and we are tired now, and I think we'll close.
Oh no. Life
That was
is
my talent. That was my talent of humor, telling jokes, and
Oh my God.
आकांक्षा का देखो उसके रोज मैं क्या करूं?
आकांक्षा सोच रही है अब से Saturday night को 9 बजे क्या होगा?
Both of you took away my breath, you know.
Go ahead, Akanksha. You had to share something.
Okay. We started together in May, a club where everyone had a say. Saturday was the day, and everyone paved the way. Every single Saturday night, we connected at 9, all bright. With learnings all beautiful and bright, we ended each session in delight. Each individual being a treasure, together we fight the pressure, passing all the endeavor with the promise of together forever. Each session being a different ray, together we form the sun, all bright and gay. While being utterly, utterly grateful, I say that Saturday nights have never been this beautiful.
Not much to add to that. It's been an honor from the heart, a grateful feeling that each one of you all, for the ones for how much so you have been a part of our journey, we are a part of your journey, and we are all in it together. While I said the 75th session was the last one, it was just in the lighter moment. I know Speak Up Club isn't just any other platform for us and many of you all equally. It's a lifeline. It's a day of a week. It's an hour of a week that is sure to happen for days to come, for months to come, for years to come. That's our promise. Over to you, Pragya.
Just one thing which I always felt, in these 70 sessions is there are so many emotions, expressions, incidences, feelings of our life that I never thought I will share at a point of time with strangers. But I think the kind of stories we have heard in these sessions and the openness that we have seen from all of you, I can rest assured that there are more things that we know about you now than even your own family members would know in times to come. So keep opening up. This is your family too. Always take it as your family, that whatever you cannot go and speak to anyone else, we are here to share. Never feel yourself to be alone. You have been my family in my most depressed time when I was there. Rahul told me, you want to get better, take a session. And that's what I did. And I shared whatever was inside. So thank you for giving that family. And I really hope that me and Rahul will also be a part of your family going forward.
Like Pragya has mentioned about this beautiful poetry, I've always in the past also told about this song and the beautiful experience or emotion that it resonates with me and how it gives a meaning to everything that we do, irrespective whether people stay with us or they don't, but they've become a part of our journey. I've always told, I'm not a singer. Please, meri bhavna ko samjho. It's not the bhavna in the audience, but the experience of the feeling that I have. It's what it comes to my mind when I talk about Speak Up Club and this journey of 71 Saturday nights that we have had. I'm not a singer, again, warning you, because it's the last performance, I can take that risk because you can just sign out if you don't want to listen to it.
Rahul, just one shairi which I never resonated before. But after this session, when I met Umaji, Akanksha, Rabia, all these people together. There's a very famous shairi which says that यूं तो मैं अकेला ही चला था सफर में, लोग मिलते रहे और कारवां
बनता गया. Very nice.
So this particular shairi I did not understand when I heard it, but now when I see all of us coming together on a Saturday, I can see my karma has been made. There are people who are a part of my life's journey now who will be there with me.
Thank you, Pragya. So I'll go out with my talent, not the actual talent, but the talent about sharing the emotion that I have for each one of you all. And then I'll go about closing the session. Post that, I'll stop the recording and we can all stay back and celebrate as always. The lines of the song that I love the most go like this. महफिल में तेरी हम ना रहे तो गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है, जितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया, चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया, ओ पिया चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या चन्ना मेरे या बेलिया. With that, we come to the end of this beautiful session. And like I always say, Saturday nights have never been this beautiful. For the last 71 Saturday nights now, it's been an honor to be sharing this space with you, sharing our perspectives, listening to your perspectives, and gaining new perspectives. Thank you for the love that you keep coming back, and more importantly, for the love that you expressed your talent on this platform today. We are honored. See you on next Saturday night at 9 p.m. Good night, everyone.